crazy weather for November. It's like spring. Well, I'm trying out a different configuration with my cameras here. I got the GoPro pointing forward and the CAD cam is my action camera. And what's kind of prompted me to do this is my Garmin, which I usually use for my dash cam, has quit on me today. I don't know what's wrong with it. Sometimes it does that, but today it wouldn't come back on. Usually it comes back on. I don't know, things are loose in there. You know, the windshield is a very hostile place for a camera. But anyway, taking the doggies and we're not going to be able to do very much. I don't know what this guy is doing. You come off an on-ramp and then you hit your brakes. Cutting across 2 lanes of traffic. Oh well. Some people's kids. But yeah, when I guess we'll just be able to sit in the coffee house, maybe watch the rain or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'll get to it.